Can Samsung Pay accept Apple Pay? Can Samsung Pay accept Apple Pay? The short answer is no. Samsung Pay cannot accept Apple Pay directly. There are two separate mobile wallet ecosystems, each designed for making payments, not for receiving them from another wallet. So basically, the answer is you cannot pay Samsung Pay from Apple Pay because Samsung Pay runs on Galaxy devices with Samsung Knox, while Apple Pay runs on iPhones and Apple Watches with Apple Secure Enclave, which are distinct or different ecosystems. So neither service allows sending money directly between the two wallets. So there are no wallet-to-wallet transfers between Samsung Pay and Apple Pay. Samsung Pay is more for consumers to pay merchants, not for merchants to accept Apple Pay transactions.